COVID-19 pandemic has had an adverse effects on the majority of the Guyanese population. However, owing to the social vulnerability of the youth populace, the pandemic has brought about ripple effects to their mental health. As such, psychologist Latoya Griffith Andrews, during an interview with this newscast, stated that an effective way for young persons to improve their mental health during this pandemic is to stay connected.
Young person at this time, you're accustomed going out with your friends and you're not able to do that at this moment. So what you can do is communicate with them via the telephone. You have so many mediums whereby you can communicate with your friends, the WhatsApp, Facebook. So keep the communication going. Talk as much as about your fears and things that may be bothering you at this time.
However, she is adamant that the onus is on the parents of these young persons to recognize the warning signs of mental illnesses in their children, especially during this time.
Parents, you should look out for things like withdrawal, sleeping too much or less, eating too much or less, also not spending time with family because sometimes at the dinner table the teenagers are accustomed spending time eating with other family members and they're always in their room. So if as parents you recognize some of these things, you should at least visit your healthcare professional.
Meanwhile, Assistant Mental Health Counselor attached to the Public Health Ministry, Rosanna Wilson, reminded that not every person who is mentally struggling will appear that way.
A random person that you see can be dealing with mental health issues, and we are not aware of it. You're only aware until maybe they start verbalizing, or maybe you may notice that they may do something that's a bit off.
Yeah.
But it's as they say, don't judge a book by its cover. Someone would look perfectly normal, and you don't know what mental health issue they may be dealing with.
The health experts are advising anyone, especially members of the youth populace, who are finding it challenging to cope with the stress of adapting to the new COVID-19 normal, to reach out for help at their nearest help center, highlighting that these institutions are equipped with trained counselors. World Mental Health Day was observed on Saturday under the theme Mental Health for All. Reporting for the HEP Nightly News, Kendall Richmond.